Hey, everybody. My name is David Wilkerson, and this is Surplus Funds 101. Just want to start off by saying thank you so much for all the people who have gone out of their way to make donations to the channel, liked the video, subscribed to the channel, everything above and beyond. Really grateful. All the PayPal donations, they've gotten to the point now to where I am able to go and pay for a couple hours of flight time. And so I'm going to go do that on Monday, and it's all because of you guys. So again, thank you so much. But with that being said, I wanted to make a little video today of, in my opinion, the quickest way to gather information on all the potential places you could go and open up your business and expand to, and be able to be educated enough to know which one might be the best choice for you. And so when I need to get information on the asset recovery industry, the best place, hands down, is this website. Okay, this is the National Association of Unclaimed Property Administrators. This website is just a wealth of resources, you guys. One of the things that I always talk about, and I'm a big advocate for, is, if you want to get paid like a professional, you got to be a professional. So what I mean behind that is, a lot of people, they want to go and make six figures a year, whatever the number might be, but a lot of them aren't willing to take the time out of the day, to go and research their craft, become an expert so they can get paid like an expert. Like when it comes down to the asset recovery industry, when you're talking to potential customers and claimants, your knowledge is going to directly reflect your confidence. And your confidence is going to allow you to sound like an expert and make it to where people want to do business with you. So one of the things that I have taken the responsibility to do is I take about a half an hour out of my day every day, and I just go and research my craft, research current events, whatever it might be, just so it's fresh on my mind, and I'm always getting that kind of continuing education. But the reason I'm going on this little tangent, you guys, this is a great website for you to never run out of information on all the updates, all the regulation changes, and everything like that. Okay. But with that being said, I have been getting a tremendous amount of phone calls and text messages and DMs and things like that from people wanting to know, hey, is this a good state or is this a bad state? And so this is a place where literally you can go, and it's a map, and you can hover over any state, click on it, and it will take you right to the Unclaimed Property website, where you have all the data you need right in front of you to make a good decision. Now, I will say too, I say this in all my videos, that the quickest, easiest hack on how to figure this stuff out is just go to the state's website and read through the investigator handbook, because it outlines all this stuff. Now, when I'm looking at a state that I might potentially want to move my business to and open it up, okay, there's a few questions that I want to know. And a few of those are just, do I have to register with the state? Do they offer leads? How easy is it to access leads? Like in the state of California, they just hand them on over to you. Other states, you have to manually look for each person. Kind of gets monotonous. Okay. Another really important thing is, how much is the commission cap per account? Okay. Next thing is, do the leads cost anything? Okay. The sixth thing is, does the state pay you or the claimant? Obviously, you're going to want them to pay you, but when you're working state funds, there's very few states out there, places that will pay you directly. And so just learning to invoice and trusting people, that's something you'll have to get over. And then 7 is, how big can the payout be without the paperwork being notarized? And from my experience, most places, if it's for the account where the claimant is owed over $1,000, that's when it needs to be notarized. I'm starting to have a lot of different thoughts on these smaller accounts, because the amount of accounts, small accounts, far outweighs the big ones that I like calling. And although I don't like calling tiny accounts, I can outsource it and have one of my VAs do it, and that has been very successful as of recently. And it's another video, I'll open that up. With that being said, let me get back here, you guys. A lot of people, they've been asking about California. So literally, when you go to this website, just go down to the little hover over the icon of California, boom. Now, if you want to know where the investigator handbook is, you just would scroll down, and under in the investigators tab, there's the handbook. Boom. Okay. Now, that is going to tell you almost everything that you need to know in order or not for you to make the decision if you want to work in the state. Okay, now let's just go back here. Okay, download property records. There's another question. All right. How easy is it to access the leads? Well, you just go to the website and you literally download them for free. Boom, right there. How easy are the leads? They're going to give you literally, you can download like 500,000 records right here. You will never, ever, ever run out of business if you just work state funds in just California. So when I hear people saying, oh my God, I want to move to another city, another state, it's just like, you know what? Maybe the grass isn't greener on the other side. Maybe you need to just put your blinders on, think about one thing and one thing only, and just do that. Like just working state funds in just California, just doing mortgage surplus funds in Minnesota, whatever it might be. Okay. So here we go. You have frequently asked questions. All these things, you guys, are the exact same questions that you DM me with. And so it's super easy. Okay. Now, with that being said, you guys, the process is the same for all 52 states. This is a website that I would constantly be going to if I was you and I was brand new. Okay. I've gone through the legwork and I've looked at all these and all the best states, and I kind of already know that stuff. But again, if you guys want to be professionals, you guys just have to geek out. You guys have to become obsessed with this process and everything about it. Again, you guys, I just wanted to share this website with you because it's such a huge wealth of knowledge, and most property investigators have no idea it exists. But with that being said, you guys, if you like the video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel. And again, if you found any value and you really like it, make a PayPal donation. Other than that, you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.